In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable super dark mode on your iPhone. If your iPhone screen is too bright, especially at night, you can make it even darker for a more comfortable viewing experience. The first step is to switch your iPhone to dark mode. For that, launch settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option display and brightness. Check in for the option dark mode. This will change your iPhone system theme to dark mode, but we can make it even darker than that. If you look at this screen, you'll notice that even with dark mode enabled, the icons and some menus still have a colorful and light experience. To make it even darker, navigate to Homepage, press and hold anywhere on the screen, click on Edit, click on Customize. Now select the option Dark. This will darken the icons and the background of the menus, giving your iPhone a deeper, more blackout effect. Likewise, next thing you can do is launch settings. Go to the option Accessibility, head over to the option Display and Text Size. Now scroll all the way down, navigate to this section, Reduce White Point, enable for that option and increase it, which makes the screen darker. You can increase this percentage to make everything even more muted and dark. And that's it. This is how you can easily make your iPhone darker. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.